warning for southern Burke County in eastern Pennsylvania, west central Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 5:15 p.m. At 4:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Honey Brook, or 11 miles east of New Holland, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Pottstown, Phoenixville, Coatesville, Downingtown, Royersford, Trapp, Honey Brook, Elverson, New Morgan, Putown, Leonville, Markwood, Valley Forge, Glenmore, Powley, Chester Springs, Leonville, Chedarville, Spring City, Malvern, and South Pottstown. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 296 and 323. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 3. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Chester, and Montgomery.